I have no idea how to check the mileage of these winds, but you can feel it. And we just had a huge, super bad gust. And, yeah. My husband just had to run up to the gas station in his truck, so I'm kind of worried about it. I don't know if you can see the tree over there, it's kind of the best representation there. It's, yeah. And I'm sure you can hear it. Sometimes it's hard to tell by just looking at the trees, but these winds are getting a little crazy now. I don't see many cars out, so hopefully he'll be okay. Just running up to grab some smokes, but alright, it's calmed down a lot. But that gust had to be at least 50. My camera was too slow to catch it, unfortunately. But hopefully I'll get some more footage of this passing through the Charleston, South Carolina area. Yep, there we go. Another gust coming. You can hear them before you see it. Look at that. I am nervous. We have a lot of big trees. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Sorry I'm flipping this on you guys, but yeah. I mean, they're really rocking. I'm really afraid that this inundation of rain is going to loosen the soil. And one of these might end up coming down. But we'll see, I guess. Just praying for everybody being affected by this. And stay safe. All right. Bye. For now. I'll be back throughout the day.